Welcome all of you to this video. In our previous video, we have learned to map our surrounding places. In this video, we will learn about polyhedron and its features. What do you understand by polyhedron? The groups of polygons that are joined to each other at the edges are called polyhedron. Each plane of a polyhedron is called a face. Can you tell the edges and the vertices of this polyhedron? Perfect. The edges are where the faces meet, and the points where the edges meet are called vertices. Let us now find the relation between the faces, edges, and vertices of a polyhedron with the help of an example. The teacher is conducting an activity for the children of class 8. She gives these polyhedrons to Raju, Monu, and Payal respectively. The number of faces, edges, and vertices are shown with F, E, and V respectively. Can you help Raju, Monu, and Payal fill this table? We start with the cube. As we can see, the cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The sum of F and V is 14, and the sum of the edges and 2 is also 14. Let us now look at the octahedron. As we can see, the octahedron has 8 faces, 12 edges, and 6 vertices. Here also, we can see that the sum of F and V is 14, and the sum of E and 2 is also 14. Now, let's help Payal. As we can see, the pyramid has 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices. The sum of F and V is 8. The sum of E and 2 is also 8. Can you see any similarities? Well done. Here the sum of F and V and the sum of E and 2 is equal. This is true for all polyhedrons, which we call the Eulers formula, which is valid for all polyhedrons. You can check the Eulers formula by trying for other polyhedrons yourself. Now, let's learn about different types of polyhedrons. Do you remember convex and concave polygons? Based on this, can you tell whether the figure shown is a convex polyhedron or a concave polyhedron? Perfect. Since the line segments connecting any points inside this shape may also be outside the shape. Therefore, it is a concave polyhedron. Let us now discuss regular polyhedrons. If in a polyhedron all faces are congruent and regular, if the number of faces meeting on each vertex is equal, then the polyhedron is called a regular polyhedron. Now the question is the shown figure a regular polyhedron? As we can see that all the faces of the shape are congruent but not equilateral. Is the number of faces at each vertex equal? No. Let's see how. Number of faces on P equals 6. 3 faces forward and 3 faces backwards. Number of faces on Q equals 3. the number of faces on the vertices is not equal and the faces are not congruent. Therefore, this shape is not a regular polyhedron. Today, in this video, we learned features of polyhedron, Euler's formula. In the next video, we will understand some specific polyhedron prisms and pyramids.